APAC have given us a lift more times than we can remember. You see, they're the people who make our jacks. In fact, they're the only Australian manufacturers of jacks on a significant commercial scale. And they're also doing very well on the export front. 200,000 of these passenger vehicle jacks, for example, go to the Mazda Corporation in Japan each year. Australian demand and export orders mean a busy manufacturing plant at Woodville North in South Australia. Particular attention is paid to meeting today's demands for safe, easy-to-operate products, whether they're for the private motorist or for the specialised undercar service market. The Selson Air Jack is a great example of Clyde APAC's capabilities. Let's see how easily it works. And what's that they say about time is money? Well, if you're a workshop manager or motor repairer, you will know what we mean. Back at Clyde APAC, they save your time and effort by putting their time and effort into good design and manufacture. To illustrate, let's look again at the Selson Air Jack. This device is unique because it provides total stability to the load during the jacking process, brought about by the use of a telescopic column. This column is designed to provide stability while following the arc of the vehicle as it's being elevated. So a lot of thought goes into the design of their products. And it's good to know that just as much care is taken both during and after manufacture. Even the screws are coated in a sealant to ensure that there's no likelihood of leakage. And all units are inflated under maximum pressure in the factory for reliability tests. When you buy a Selson Air Jack, you know you've chosen from their very large range of models the one that will do your specific job. Wheel alignment specialists may choose this handheld model. It gets into tight spaces and enables the technician to finely regulate the degree of lift. The Selson also allows more of the specialist's time to be spent on the principal job of correcting wheel alignment. Larger models may be favoured by the bus service operator or by the big road transport companies. They can even be carried in service vans and operated from a mobile air compressor. It's a robust device, and while safety supports are required as part of normal safety practice, operators have enormous confidence when working with Selson Air Jacks. The principle of operation of Selson Air Jacks is based on the air spring system, which incorporates a series of rubber convolutions capable of lifting great weights by air pressure alone. They have few moving parts, and these make up the telescopic stabilising column, which also acts as a stroke limiting device inside the air spring. Two push-button valves, clearly marked green to raise and red to lower, make operation very simple. Safety features include an overload valve, which protects the air spring against excessive air pressure. And the push-button valves are designed to prevent lowering of the jack, either through hose disconnection or air supply failure. They simply cannot be overloaded. And because of this feature, airlines can be disconnected and used for other purposes while the jack is in operation. The precision and power of Selson Air Jacks will no doubt find application beyond the automotive sector. Meanwhile, people in the motor service and transport industries know that they can give good service and get the job done a lot faster. Clyde APAC, thanks again for the lift.